Okay, let's solve some more questions. So 271 says, which is not a way that tool may be used by the organization. So here option community is not a standard vocabulary. We are having a tool like individual, integrated, and collaborative. Individual one-to-one, integrated one-to-many, and collaborative many-to-many. So I believe A is the correct answer. They ask negative, which is not. So I believe A is the correct answer. Yes, it is. There are basically three types of tools that had already. Question number 272 says, why senior managers needs to agree on which PPM problems they are rate as a critical for organization. Option A defines portfolio prioritization and optimization techniques. Option B determine where P3O should report in organization. Option D define life cycle for implementing permanent P3O, and option D allow P3O sponsor to gain consensus on common vision. So I believe D would be the most correct answer, that first you have to make sure that your senior management should agree on what problems they are going to solve. So D is the correct answer. Yeah, that senior management need to agree on PPM problems they are rated as a critical, which allow P3O sponsor to gain consensus on the common P3O vision. Based on that vision, we are trying to implement, identify, define, deliver capability, real closing stage. Question number 273 says, why benefits in provided by a capacity planning for a resource management techniques within the organization? What benefit is provided by capacity planning techniques for resource management techniques with the organization? Provide relative priority against the which allocate resources to the project? No, it is prioritization techniques, not a capacity planning. Allow individual resources to identify what development they require, that is skill development, not a capacity planning. Removes barriers to project delivery caused by lack of resource capacity. Yes, that is how, what is the demand versus supply, what, how many demands and what is the supply. There are 5 project managers required and you have a supply of 3 project managers, then you have to hire 2 from the market. So that is C. And connect individual, allow information flow between resources, that is not the correct answer. So C is the correct answer. Provide capacity and capability building service resource management. Question number 274 says, the skills development and maintenance technique used for what? Option A, improve collaboration between resource working in a different location. Option B, allow proper skilled resources to a PPM roles. Option C, allow PPM information by all level of organization. And option D, allow ineffective management of workshop. So skill development and maintenance technique used so that allocate proper skilled resources to the PPM. So B is the most correct answer here. Yeah, it is. Allocation of appropriate skilled resources to PPM roles is one of the benefit of skill development and maintenance technique. Now question number 275 says, which is not an example of integrated tools used by the P3O model. So there are 3 types of the tool, as I mentioned: individual one-to-one relationship, then collaborative where one-to-many relationship, and integrated where many-to-many relationship. And here they ask for integrated, which is not an integrated tool. So links the information across business chain in hierarchical manner, that is integrated. Allocate multiple people to access multiple set of information, that again many to many, integrated. Support a single business chain initiative within a multiple use, that is a collaborative, not an integrated. So this is not the right thing. Use a single installation for tools across the organization, that's again an integrated. So I believe C would be the most correct answer here. Yeah, C would be the most correct, that supports a single business change initiative with multiple users. It's collaborative tool type, not integrated tool. It's a collaborative tool. So hope you had understood the questions and how we are identify the pattern. Some of the questions are very direct question, but some of the question where you need to aware of red herring like not and other things. So you might be knowing the answer, but you have to still cautiously look the question. Okay.